How to use SEEDANCE for free 2026 complete guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check whether you're eligible for any free promotional access to SEEDANCE. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. To get started, open any web browser on your phone or computer and search for yourcouponbox.com. Once you're on the website, use the search bar to look for Higgsfield Ultra, then open the relevant page. From time to time, the website may list promotional coupon codes that can provide a free trial or other promotional benefits. These offers are usually available for a limited time and in limited quantities, so they may not always be available. If you see an active offer, click Show Coupon Code. Before the code is displayed, the website may ask you to complete a few promotional or verification steps. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. If a code is provided, copy it and redeem it on the official Higgsfield redemption page, if applicable. If the code is valid, the promotional benefits associated with that offer will be applied to your account. You can then sign in and explore the available features to see if they meet your needs. Keep in mind that promotional codes and free offers can expire or change at any time. Not every code will work for every user, and there's no guarantee of long-term or one-year free access. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.